Home remedies for sweaty hands and feet. Baking soda. Due to alkaline nature, baking soda serves as the best home remedy for sweating hands. Put 3 tablespoons of baking soda in warm water. You will notice effervescence. Dip your hands for half an hour in it and rub them with clumps of soda underneath. Pat dry with a cloth after you are done. You can use this remedy for your feet. Cold water. Water is the most common remedy for avoiding sweat. Drink 10 to 12 glasses of cool water in a day. Soaking the hands and feet in cold water for 15 to 20 minutes can also give you relief for some time. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a good antiperspirant. The lauric acid in it kills the bacteria responsible for the unwanted body odor. The soothing fragrance of the oil keeps you fresh all day long. Take a small amount of oil and rub it on the hands and feet to stop the sweat and nourish the skin. Alternatively, you can rub the coconut oil with your fingers on the sweat-prone areas. It is advisable to apply it after taking a bath. Tomatoes. The cooling and astringent properties of tomatoes can also help control the problem of sweaty hands and palms. Being a natural astringent, tomatoes help shrink pores and block the ducts that secrete sweat. Even drinking tomato juice can help lower the body temperature, which in turn will reduce sweating. Simply cut a good-sized slice of tomato and rub it over the areas of your body where you are experiencing excessive sweating. Alternatively, apply freshly extracted tomato juice on the sweaty parts of your body and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Do it once daily. Also, you can drink 1 cup of fresh tomato juice daily for a week, and slowly reduce the dosage to 1 cup every other day for another week. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is another effective remedy for hyperhidrosis. It aids in controlling excessive sweating due to its natural astringent property. Plus, its antifungal properties can reduce the risk of fungal infections caused by too much moisture. Add 4 or 5 drops of tea tree oil to a bowl of lukewarm water. Dip a cotton ball in this solution and rub it onto the affected areas of your body. Repeat 2 or 3 times a day.